Good morning, dear student of class 9th. Dear student, today our topic is multiple choice question, objective question related to lesson number 2 is the matter around us is pure. Dear student, in this question we have to select one correct option in given question. So let's start. Question number 1. A material is said to be a pure substance when option first it does not contains any impurities. Option 2 it is heterogeneous. Option C all of its constituent particles are one kind. Option D it exhibit different properties in its different type. Dear student, question 1 is a material said to be pure substance when option C is correct. All of its constituent particles are one kind. Number 2, which of the following metal is liquid at room temperature? Answer, mercury. 3. Which of the following is not a characteristics of mixture? Option 3 means option C is the correct. The formation of a mixture involve a chemical chain. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a colloidal system? Option 1 gems, B ink, C foam rubber, D diamond. Which of them is not a colloidal solution? So option D is the correct. Diamond is not a colloidal system. 5. Which of the following exhibits Tyndall effect? So you know better which will show the Tyndall effect. Option A common salt solution, option B tobacco smoke, C pure water, and C a solution of glucose. So question number 5, answer B is the correct answer, tobacco smoke. Question number 6, a mixture of ammonium chloride and sand can easily separated by. Question 6, option B is the correct. Sublimation, a mixture of ammonium chloride and sand can separated by sublimation. Question 7, in the purification of drinking water, works water disinfected by. Question number 7, answer B is the correct. The addition of chlorine. Question 8, a mixture of benzene and water can easily separated by. Here 4 options. So option C is the correct, separating funnel. 9. Which of the following is a chemical change? So here 4 options. C. Question is which of the following is chemical change? So answer A is the correct. Souring of milk. 10. A mixture of red and blue ink can be separated by. Here 4 options. So option D is the correct. Magnetization of iron. Chromatography method. Question 10, option D, chromatography method. 11. The dye present in blue black ink can obtained by which method? Here given 4 options. So option B is the correct, evaporation. Question 12. The salt obtained from seawater has many impurities, it can be purified by. So option, here 4 option in question 12. So option D is the correct answer, crystallization. A solution contains 10 gram of common salt in 280 ml water. Its concentration term of mass volume represented by given equation. Here 4 options. So which option will be correct? So option B is the correct. 280 upon 10. 280 upon 10. Sorry. Option A is the correct. Question number 13. See here. So option A is the correct. 10 upon 280 into 100. Question 14. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Here 4 options. See and try to give the answer. So which option will be correct? So option B is correct. Petrol is a mixture. Question 15. Colloidal particles are here 4 options. Option A, visible in naked eyes, visible to the naked eyes. B, visible under the ordinary microscope, visible under ultra microscope, not visible at all. So which option will be the better? Colloidal particles. Option question 15. C. Which option will be the correct? So option C is the correct. Visible under ultra microscope. 16. Two element A and B. Two element A and B combine together to form substance AB2. According to the following reaction, A plus 2B arrow AB2. Which of the following statement is true? Here 4 options. Here 4 options. See and try to get correct answer. So correct answer will be D. The properties of AB2 are different from the A and B. Question number 17. When you add 2 ml of acetic acid to a test tube containing an equal amount of distilled water and leave test tube settle after sacking it content, then after 5 minutes what will you observed in the test tube? So 4 options. So option B is the correct, a clear colorless solution. 18 and question number 19. It is your homework. Find the correct answer and note down on your answer sheet. Thank you.